Hello there! Today I am gonna talk about the baby bottle that really helped my baby against the gas symptoms. Watching a gassy baby struggle in pain can break any parent's heart, I know. Well, the solution for this problem are the baby bottles from Dr. Brown. We have the natural flows and it really helped. This is really the best baby bottle by far. A friend of mine from the USA recommended to me, and I am really grateful. It has labeled nipples, as you can see. We used at the beginning number 1, but now we changed it to 3 because my daughter is 8 months now. Okay, this is how it looks like. It has this smart venting system that really reduces colic, burping and wind. It doesn't allow any air through. I will show you how you can place it inside. This comes like this, then like this, then you put this together and like this. It's very easy. Okay, now when you buy this bottle, be careful to include this brush. If not, you can order it separately also. This is very important because you need to clean this venting system. You need to clean it inside in this tiny part here and here. You need to clean it very careful, and this part also, like this. So this is the bottle. We are very satisfied, and it really helped our daughter with this problem. I highly recommend it. Depending on where you live, I don't know if you can buy it in your shops around, but you can order it on Amazon. I ordered it from Amazon, and I received it the second day. If you have Amazon Prime, it's perfect. And anyways, I will put a link in the description below, and you can order it online from Amazon. So thank you and bye bye.